What if you could remember most of what you read without even trying to memorize it? What if I told you that remembering more has nothing to do with memory? Sounds like a scam, right? I used to believe that too. I would read something, feel like I fully understood it, and the next day it was gone, completely blank, like it never happened. For a long time, I blamed my memory. I thought I just wasn't good at learning, but I was wrong, completely wrong. The problem wasn't my memory, it was how I was learning. It stores connections, not information. Connections, patterns, meaning. So when you just consume information, it disappears, it fades away. That's when it clicked. Not all information is meant to be learned the same way. Different types of information need different systems. So I broke everything into 4 simple categories. Just 4. Let's go. Type 1. Procedural information. This is where most people get it wrong. Some things can't be learned by understanding. They can only be learned by doing. You have to perform them, like speaking a language, playing an instrument, solving problems. But here's the trap. Most people stay in watch mode. Video after video, tutorial after tutorial, and they think that means progress, but it doesn't. Here's the truth most people miss. Watching is not learning. It only feels like progress. Your brain only updates when you struggle, not when you understand it, when you do it. Type 2. Factual information. Now, here's the opposite problem. Some things don't need deep thinking. They just need to stick. Definitions, dates, formulas, basic facts. This is where most people waste time. They try to understand what should just be memorized, instead of just repeating it. Here's the shift. Don't keep it in your head. Put it outside your brain. Flashcards, notes, Anki. Review it again and again over time. That's it. No magic, just repetition done right. Type 3. Anchoring information. Now this is where learning starts to feel easy. Your brain doesn't learn by copying, it learns by connecting, by linking new information to what you already know. For example, an atom isn't a brand new idea, it's just a solar system in disguise. Suddenly, something complex becomes simple because your brain already understands the pattern. And once you see the connection, you don't memorize it anymore, you recognize it instantly. That's real learning, not memorization, connection. Type 4. Conceptual information. Now, this is the level almost nobody reaches. Not what something is, but why it exists. Most people memorize this. CO2 goes up, temperature rises, ice melts. But they don't actually see the system, they just see steps. Here's what's actually happening. CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere. That heat builds up over time. The Earth can't release it fast enough. So, temperatures rise. Ice starts melting. Now it's no longer just a fact, it's a system you can see working. And that changes everything. Because you don't memorize it anymore, you understand it forever. So here's your move. Pick one thing you're learning right now, and don't just study it. Change how you interact with it. Apply one of these methods immediately, not later, now. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.